Hello everybody, what is going on? It is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Guys, we are living in chaotic times, especially financially. A lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people are coming really to their wits' end when it comes to money because, the rent is due, the bills are due, but you're not really making much money. So in this video, I'm going to help you guys save some money. We're going to go over 3 apps and programs that can help you save money. Now, two of the 3 services I'm going to talk about today, I actually have a link with where you will get a bonus. Yes, a bonus for signing up using my link. So if you use my link, you will start off with some money already. So you're not starting from zero. Starting off, we're starting with Dosh app. Dosh is a mobile app that you download on iOS or Android. Again, if you use my link, you get a free $5. Free $5 just for using my link. And what Dosh does is you link your credit card or debit card, and whenever you spend money at a qualified store, you earn money back. Now, how many stores are qualified? It's not all of them, but from my experience, I am usually earning money back at least 50% of the time when I go and shop. I know Dunkin' Donuts are part of it. I know Starbucks is part of it. Certain grocery stores are part of it. Certain retailers are part of it. It really depends. You could check what stores are qualified on the app, but definitely get the app, because what I've noticed is at least 50% of the time when I am shopping, I am earning money back from Dosh. Okay, so next up, we're talking about Honey. Honey is very similar to Dosh, only it's also a Chrome extension. So if you're using the Chrome web browser, you could download Honey using my referral link and you'll get a bonus there. But Honey's a bit different because what it does is it applies coupons. It doesn't give you cash back per se. It applies coupons for you that saves you money. And also there's something called Honey Gold, where the more you use it, the more coupons it applies for you, the more points you get, and you could use those points to buy gift cards, okay, using the point system. Now, Honey does have a mobile app as well. I've not used the mobile app, so I'm not sure how good it is. I'm not going to vouch for it because I'm not going to vouch for something I haven't used, but from what I could tell you, with the Chrome extension, it's been pretty nice. It saved me a couple bucks every day when I buy something, or every other day whenever I buy something. It's always going to save you a couple bucks because it has so many stores on there. You have Target, you have Best Buy, Wayfair, AliExpress. There's a lot on here, guys, all right? And you could earn cash back, and you could get those coupons applied. That's really where the money is saved, the coupons. It auto applies coupons for you, and you could save a ton. I've seen purchases go from $200 to $150 just because of Honey. Definitely don't miss out. Use my link, and I believe you get a bonus. Lastly, guys, is Ibotta. Ibotta is a lot like Dosh, only it's a little bit different, has different stores, but basically it's the same concept where you will put in your card and basically you get cash back. The reason I don't use Ibotta as much is because it has less stores in my opinion, and also usually it doesn't give you as much cash back, but it's not a bad service per se. You could definitely use both of them if you'd like, but I don't actually even use this one anymore. I used to. If I did use it, I would give you guys a bonus code, but I don't really use it anymore, so, take that with how you want to take it. But Ibotta is okay, but mainly if you want to save money, use Dosh and use Honey, and use Ibotta as like a third service to really save some extra money on the back end. But mostly, if you're using Dosh and you're using Honey, you're gonna at least reduce your monthly expenses by at least 15-20% in my opinion. But let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts. As always, have a great day and good luck with everything going on right now. Hope everyone stays safe, stays well, stays healthy. And yeah, have a great day, guys.